So continuing our introduction to basic front-end web technologies, after HTML, the next step is CSS. So, while HTML is the skeleton, CSS is the basic look and appearance. This is, a little example of how one can actually just take a normal web page and apply some styles to it. We also discuss resets and CSS frameworks and so on. In addition to this, if you go to the Mozilla Developer Network page, this main page on CSS, and you don't have to remember this whole URL, you can just Google MDN CSS, has a lot of great stuff. In particular, the tutorial and the CSS reference are quite good. Here's the tutorial. We go through this in one of the homeworks, but basically this is something where you can kind of go through from the very beginning and you'll get reasonably expert by the end of it. As a reference, just like the list of all HTML tags and all of their attributes, you can see every single CSS property and then things called pseudo-classes and pseudo-elements and so on and so forth. So if you ever forget what the margin is, for example, you can click this and you can see, exactly how to specify it and so on and so forth, as well as the kinds of values it accepts and examples, right? So this is really quite useful. You should know about this page, and that kind of complements this sort of empirical styling over here.